that cares. All right, in this video, I got asked to come take a look at this unit where the customer said, I think they spent $4,000 on gas and goes, and he ended up turning the freezer off because he kept losing product because the unit would keep running out of gas, and he'd lost so much product over time, he just turned the damn thing off. And so I got asked to come see if I could take a look at this thing and see what's going on with it. And that's what we're gonna get into in this video right now. I got this unit here, it's been getting low on charge. So we're gonna leak check it and find the leaks on this thing. And then I also noticed, look at our condenser, super dirty. And we got something new today to wash this with. And keeping the coil cleans on refrigeration units or air conditioners is the most important thing. You lose capacity when the coils get dirty. You lose efficiency, so you pay more for your electricity. But the main thing is you lose capacity. So we're gonna get these cleaned out, and I'll show you that later. But right now we're gonna get into our leak search. And I got the H10 for that. We'll get the H10 fired up. I run it on manual, go all the way off, put it on medium, and need to let that heater warm up for a couple minutes. I've been just walking around this thing doing some visuals. Looks like the line set goes under these stairs here. We'll have to take a good look at this. I'd love to pull this board off. Getting a hit off this valve right here. Don't need the high head pressure anymore. That's where I found the leak right there. It was on the bottom of the valve where it never got welded. Let me zoom in. Yeah, right there. That was bubble factory. And that was just a big old miss. So we're gonna go ahead and just cut it out. It was trying to do a rubber dooski right there, off the metal right there. So we're just gonna cut it out, put a fitting in there. We had to pull the compressor for an oil change because the oil's so dirty. We noticed from the suction line.
Oh.
So we went ahead and pulled the compressor and draining the oil. We had to put new oil in it. It's brown like root beer. How old is this one? 10 years? Almost 10 years?
10 years.
Okay. And it's had gas and goes from day one because of this. I found the leak. The H10 went right to the leak on that. That was never welded in on the bottom, of course. And then I'm also going to chop that valve out too, because those are notorious for leaking. And it looks like it's already probably had a leak on it because of all the leak lock that's on there. Fun project. All right, we got that valve chopped out. Getting the compressor oil changed right now. Well, it's draining, doing the Drano. And then we'll get this all built back together. All right, here's what the oil in that compressor looked like. Probably had leak stop put in it. Who knows what else. Gas and go. Got it blocked up good. So I'm gonna put the oil back in right here through the suction side. Dude, check out how good my flux trick worked. It sweated out almost perfectly clean on both of them. Got so lucky.
Factory.
All right, gotta put 45 ounces back in. And that's how clear the new oil is. New POE, that's only 24 and a half, and I still gotta put more in. Let's get the rebuild going. I'm gonna save the dryer for last. There you go. Piping done. I got rid of that valve. Over there, we got rid of that thing. I did have a high head pressure with manual reset to put back on. I just got to rewire it. These are the wires for that. And we'll get that. And then nitrogen pressure test. And we're gonna leave the nitrogen pressure test on for 24 hours. And then I think we're gonna vacuum for 24 hours after that. I'm gonna wash that condenser out. Here it is, the victims. I'll take you inside and show you what the inside of the box looks like. We got the nitrogen holding charge on. We'll leave that for 24 hours. We'll put this condensing unit back together. All right, here's the freezer lineup that we're working on. This is a freezer. And I had the coil all apart and sniffed it out. Everything's good on it. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 door lineup. And I had the other side, and we checked the coil, and the coil was good. If you guys were wondering, I did check the evaporator section. And I was going through the line set, and the H10 took me right to that little leak. And then we confirmed it with soap bubbles. And let's see, what have we done so far? We took those valves out that always leak. He's always had a problem with the thing leaking, and now you know why. That valve was never welded up right. So we're heading in the right direction here, but I want to show you guys the inside, what we're working on. This is what oil looks like. The customer showed us his invoices. And I think it had 2 stop leaks in it, and gas and goes. It's 10 years old, and that's what the oil looks like. And when I saw the oil over there by the lines, I knew we had to change the oil in the compressor. There's no way. Look at that. Looks like a root beer float. All right, YouTubes. Rinse Kit Pro is gonna go down. What's nice about that, it's one shower head with all the different settings on it. Center, flat, jet. We're gonna use jet, shower, mist. They do make an emulsion heater that will go screw inside of here that will charge. heat your water. It would be great for melting coils. If you got iced up coils on your refrigeration system or your air conditioner. Let's turn this on so it'll pump up. It'll charge from your car cigarette lighter, or you can plug it in 110, or if you have your solar generator, you can charge it off that. And I'm gonna get this ready to go here. Got the micro channel that's filthy. Look at that coil. That condenser coil is just filthy. Let's get her going here. Look at that stream, fits right inside the micro channels, like it's made for it. Can you see that? So when you wash these micro channel coils, you're not supposed to put chemical on these. So it's water only. And the jet stream fits right inside the channels. Can you see that? And this is great when you get locations where there's no water, or you're on a roof and you don't have enough hoses to stretch across the roof. Hey man, fill up your Rinse Kit Pro and take it over there and wash your coils out. Just getting started here. So especially on these micro channels, the little area is what you got to get clean inside there. Look at that. Get all that dirt coming out of there. Yeah, you could do that. So that bottom circuit really plugged.
Oh yeah, it all pours down.
Rinse Kit Pro, outstanding coil cleaner. Good stuff.